lick the motors. Totally fine. Okay guys, this is the new build. The lePush from Toronto FPV. Check out his channel if you want to know more about it. I already did a test hover this morning and it had to fly away. So now we see if I was able to fix it. We are flying. Saw it fly away. It still has a little bit of jitter in it, so it's not yet perfect. I will show some of the DVR because I have all the props you can imagine in my picture. But it's flying, that's a good thing. Tomorrow I will do the speed challenge maybe. I got some biplate props. I will do a little speed run for the log file. Oh yeah, it's fast. It's very fast. It's a little bit windy, but it's pretty stable. I imagine it should be because it has all the power it can get. See if I can hover in front of me so you can see it fly. Pretty freaking cool. This is a fun build if you finished it, because while building it was pretty tough. So I wouldn't recommend it for a first build or for a beginner. It is very tight, as it should be. When I land I will show you the clearance of the props, because it's basically non-existent. I think it's ready for the speed challenge. I might reduce the DTOM filter a little bit. But otherwise, he's pretty locked in. There's some prop wash, but that's to be expected. Let's see if we can do a little bit of a shadow shot. There it is. Not that easy with the uneven ground here. But yeah, I like it. It's basically a bigger discus. And the discus is basically my favorite frame of all time. The best sub 250 at least. This one is not like It's not sub 250, it's I think 560 grams with the biggest 1400 mAh LiPo. But it has a ton of flight time. I'm at 5 minutes now. And I'm pretty fast going around with wind and a semi-good tune, which probably plays a factor as well in the flight time. Yeah, it goes. It's great because it is fast. It's nice for flying at open locations like this here. Nice field flyer, maybe racing. Alright, we're at 3.47. I got the expensive flight rods. These are dropping fast. We are below 3.5 volt, so we are then at exactly 6 minutes. Not bad. I like it. It's fun. So this is the clearance of the props. It's pretty insane. It goes like 5 millimeters below the cam, and it's like 2 millimeters to the top plate. And I don't think, yeah, the props are like maybe 5 millimeters to 1 centimeter apart. Yeah, my FPV cam is crooked. Yeah, that mount is prototype because I needed some mount with adjustable camera angle. I already designed one that's fixed angle, and I will switch to it after I did the speed challenge. But I like higher camera angle for a speed challenge because then I can see where I'm going, and if it actually goes 200 km/h, then I like to see where I'm going. Do we hand launch it? Might be risky, might be funny, might be dangerous. I guess we do it. Yes. Let's go. Holy shit, it's so freaking fast. Doc gave up, he's running around here. Was ist los? Wuffi wuff. Yeah, it got some throw to it. Yeah, I'm like, this is 30% throttle, not even, and it's hauling ass. Let's go. Sub 600 G, I guess. That's good. And I got a big LiPo on it. We could easily fly it with a like 1000 mAh LiPo. I might play around with the anti-gravity gain. And I will use darker props because I have like my entire FPV field is props. And the other ones look cool, but they are not very subtle. Oh yeah, we are going to do this. This is freaking fun. Nice. It was like I think we can do the 200 easy. Even more maybe. With the right wind conditions and a good LiPo. I ordered some bi-blades. So I think with those we will be faster than 200. Yeah, that's so fun. Let's go. lePush. Thanks to Toronto FPV for sending this to me. It's actually fun. I like it. I will probably fly it together with the discus at some point. Big brother. Ui. Yeah, it goes. It just goes crazy. I forgot to check the motors. I need to check the motors after this flight if they get hot. Let's go! This is freaking cool. Okay, LiPo is down. 3.3 volt. We are landing. Sorry, LiPo. I'm very sorry. Please survive till tomorrow when I do the speed challenge. And the only thing is, how do they fit GPS on this thing? Oh yeah, the LiPo is hot, but the motors are actually. I just should lick the motors. Totally fine. We can do this. Nice.
Telemetry lost.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Naja, Lieblingskopter. Hm? Schnupsi? Ja, der ist fein, ne? Der ist fein.